Hello everyone, welcome back to Grammar Crackers. In part 1, we understood all the easy plural rules, but English doesn't always follow simple rules. That's why part 2 is here. Let's move step by step from the common exceptions to the most advanced ones. First is rule number 5. Some nouns change their form completely when they become plural. You cannot add s or es. The whole spelling changes. For example, child, children, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Let's see how they are used in sentences. A mouse is small, two mice are small. The child is crying, the children are crying. ये नाउन्स किसी रूल को फॉलो नहीं करते, इन्हें बस याद करना पड़ता है. Now, rule number 6. Some nouns do not change at all. Singular plural forms look exactly the same. इन वर्ड्स में स्पेलिंग चेंज नहीं होती है, ना ही एस या ई एस ऐड होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शीप, शीप, डियर, डियर, फिश, फिश. Easy ना? But the question arises, how do we find out where to use sheep in singular and where in plural? Simple, the sentence tells us whether the meaning is one or many. Let's see how they are used in sentences. I saw one deer. I saw many deer. The fish is small. The fish are small. ये नाउन खुद से शेप नहीं बदलते, मीनिंग सेंटेंस बदलता है. ओके, नाउ मूव टू रूल नंबर 7. These nouns always look plural, sound plural, and always take a plural verb because the object is made of two parts. For example, scissors, jeans, shorts, tongs. We often say scissor, but scissor is not a word. Even if only one is there, it is still called scissors. Same for jeans, trousers, spectacles. Let's see how they are used in sentences. My jeans are tight. These scissors are sharp. दो parts is equals to plural words. Got it? If you want to know more about this, the short link is in the description box. Now time for rule number 8. In compound nouns, only the main noun becomes plural. मतलब सिर्फ main noun का promotion मिलता है. For example, sister-in-law, it becomes sisters-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Now that much is enough for this video. In part 3, we will discuss some exceptions as well as the VIP words and their VIP plurals. But first, let's take a quick summary. Irregular plurals. Children, teeth. Same singular plural, sheep, deer, fish. Always plural nouns. Scissors, jeans, tongs. Compound nouns, only the main noun changes. Got it? Now it's your homework time. Write the plural of man, woman, commander-in-chief, spectacles, and series. Question number 2 is write 5 sentences using irregular plural nouns. Okay? And we will discuss the answer in part 3.
At last, I just want to thank you everyone because our channel reached 100 subscribers. It may look small to the world, but for me, it's a huge milestone. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling. Bye-bye.